Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are continuing in our method book on the clarinet with line 39, Old MacDonald. So we're going to go through, look for patterns, and maybe even learn something new today. So first of all, we always have our treble clef, and then we have our time signature. We are in 2/4 time for this song. So the 2 tells us how many beats are in each measure, and the 4 gives us the value of the whole note if we had one. So we use that information to break down the value of everything else. So if we had a whole note and it got 4 beats, half of a whole is a half of 4 is 2. So half notes get 2 beats. Remember that. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. So the quarter notes get 1 beat, as well as the quarter rest at the very end. Now, that's as far as we need to break it down. We don't have any eighth notes in this song, but we do have ties. So this curved line that connects this F to this F, and down here this F to this F, because we don't change notes, it's a tie. And we treat it like a musical plus sign. Because we can only fit 2 beats in a measure, this tie lets us hold the sound longer than the measure it fits in. So we hold it for 2 beats here, plus 1 beat in the next measure before we change. So musical plus sign, 2 plus 1 is 3. We hold this sound for 3 beats, same as down here. So now let's look for patterns. We start on our F, just the thumb, and we have 3 of those in a row. F, F, F. Skip down to C, add 1, 2, 3 to the front. D, D, C, and hold that for 2. And while you're holding it, you can look ahead and see that you skip up to the A, just the toggle key. A, G, G, F, hold it 3 counts, and then C. That's like an anacrusis into the next line. C, F, F. No, wait a second. We've done this before. It's the exact same thing twice. The only difference is at the end of the first line, you have the C that acts like a pickup or an anacrusis. And then in the last measure on the second line, we don't have that. We have a quarter rest. So this is pretty repetitive. I'm going to start a metronome. I'm going to play this. I hope you can play along. Don't forget to start each note with a t sound so that our articulation is very clean. All right. The metronome is set at 88 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. And that's how you play Old MacDonald on the clarinet. Of course, if you're having trouble with any of it and you need to slow it down, absolutely do that. Take it at your pace. And then when you're ready, speed it up, put it back together. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.